Hello everyone, this is Chris with C4 Kits, just showing you my latest kit, and here's what you get in the G1 Gonk Droid Maker's Concept Model Kit. It's about 1/6 scale. This guy stands about 6 inches, 5.5 inches, depending on where you measure. He's about 5.5 inches off the base, 6 inches on the base. And everything you see here on this finished one, this is one of the first ones I built, comes in the kit. So you get 2 feet, 2 legs, the internal structure, the centerpiece, 4 quads, face plates, whatever that thing is called to access the data that most droids have. You get the side pieces. Sorry, my camera's not focusing very good, is it? You get side piece with the little connecting tube. You get a back piece. And this antenna's loose in there. And yeah, I think that's about it. So yeah, it starts with the base. You get 2 feet, the 2 legs, the internal structure, the center core piece, and then you get 4 quads with this series 2. I've got another design that has all of it as one piece, but I kind of like this way the best. So I've got 4 quad vac forms that go onto the centerpiece. You simply put down these standoffs and you glue the quads down, top and bottom, line them up, and then you use these plates to connect between them, as I did here. So this one is just got a face plate. This is the lower plate. And it has a back plate, which has some indications on where to notch it. And then the top back plate. And then there's also a top plate, which is right here. So yeah, that's pretty much what comes with the kit. There's the back piece you get with the antenna and the 2 little pieces. You get all your panels. You got your backing plate for the side cylinders, end caps, connecting hose. All of this makes up your front piece. Then you've got your face plate, which I've pre-drilled, marked, so you can cut that out the way you like. And this piece, I'll probably just, since they're so small, I'll probably just make these little pieces for you in the kit. Extra little disc for the top. Did I tell you about the feet? So you either get Type A feet right here, which is a solid core wood inside and solid foam PVC on the bottom with a vacuum form piece on top. That's the first foot design that will come with these early kits. There's how I painted up. And then I've got another type, which you can see on here, Type B. And I intentionally made these rough and scrappy because I want them to look like beat up old Gonk droids. So here's a primed pair. Yeah, that's what the back looks like. So this is the Type B feet, which will come with some of them. You can see them right there. And then there is a Type C feet, which will come with some of the later ones, which is basically the same thing. It's got a solid core. This is the first prototype I made of them. So anyway, I was just trying out different types of feet, different styles, different designs, see which the easiest to make. And this is all by hand, as you can tell, nice and rough and imperfect, just like a Gonk droid should be. So anyway, that's it for the C4 Kits G1 kit. You guys send me an email if you'd like one, or check out my Patreon, and I'll give more updates on this soon. Have a good one.